I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Freedom to Koodo, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the porting process, make sure you have all necessary information handy. This includes your Freedom account number, the phone number you want to port, and any security PIN or password associated with your account. Step 2. Visit Koodo's website. Go to Koodo's official website or visit a Koodo store. If you're doing it online, navigate to the section for new activations. Make sure to select the option to port your number during the sign-up process. Step 3. Fill out the porting form. Complete the porting form with the information you gathered in Step 1. Double-check that all details are correct to avoid delays. A common mistake is entering the wrong account number, which can lead to complications. Step 4. Confirm your requests. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation email or message from Koodo. Follow any additional instructions provided to confirm your request. This step is crucial to ensure your number is successfully ported. Step 5. Wait for the porting process. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to a day. Keep your Freedom SIM card in your phone until you receive a notification that your number has been successfully ported to Koodo. Switching your number can seem daunting, but following these steps will help you transition smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Koodo's customer support for assistance. Good luck!